guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ishita and I make tons of videos about fashion, personal grooming, styling, lifestyle. So if you like watching such content that'll improve your dressing sense and make you feel more confident, please consider hitting that subscribe button and do check out my other videos on my channel as well. Now, I've been getting a lot of comments from you guys saying that I don't do a lot of haul videos anymore, and that is true. I'm trying to sort of not be a haul video channel, but the Myntra sale is going on right now. It's their BFF, which is the big fashion festival sale, and I couldn't resist sharing some of my favorites from this sale with you guys. Now you get up to 50 to 90% off on I think almost all the brands. In fact, जो भी चीजें मैंने इस haul के लिए ली है, you will get some discounts on that. So I am super excited to share this with you guys. And I know you are going to ask me in the comment section also the links to what I'm wearing. This is also part of the haul, so stay tuned until the end of the video to know all the details. So the first thing that I picked up was this pure cotton shirt from Mango. I absolutely love the hot pink color. It's got full sleeves, the material is so comfortable. It's slightly crinkled, like that's the look that you get with it. And it has this twisted knot detail, so it's a pretty cool shirt, perfect for your casual days. And it's at a 50% off, which is insane. Mango as a brand can tend to get really expensive, but right now with the sale it is at insane discounts. Now another thing that I picked up along with this was these pink pair of shorts. You can actually pick them up separately, so it becomes a quad set, but if you don't want to buy both of them, you can buy either one of them. The shirt itself is super comfortable, like I said. The shorts on the other hand are also pure cotton, the same material, exactly same. It's a fun beach outfit or staying at home or a casual day outfit for sure. The next thing was this twisted detail top from H&M. The MRP for this is $12.99 and I love how it fits. I've paired it with these black pants, but the color is really nice and bright. The material is also very comfortable. It's recycled polyester. Fits really well on the body. It gives a very nice silhouette. It's got these gathered detailings on the sides as well. I really like how this top fits. It would make for a great casual as well as a party top if you dress it up and accessorize it the right way. This was actually one of my favorites from this haul. For size references, I am in a small for everything, but this next top I had to pick it up in an extra small because the fit was slightly loose for me in small, so I got it exchanged. This top is an off-shoulder cotton bandeau top. It is from the brand called The Clothing Factory. Again, I really like the color. As you can see, I have a soft spot for the pink color. It's a very feminine, girly color, and I've recently started buying a lot of pink things. This top is perfect for a date night, for a night out, for a party. I think it's a very cute top, and a lot of you ask me for birthday outfit ideas. This would actually make for a very cute top for birthday as well. The next thing is a quad set from the brand called Sangria. It's a very comfortable, again, a loungewear set. You can also wear it outside. The MRP for this is $24.99, but with the discount right now on Myntra, you get this just for ₹999, and I love how comfortable it is. It's cotton material. They have these embroidered flowers on the pants, which add a little bit of an extra element to the outfit, and the top has lacework and the tie-up detailing in the middle. You can also actually add a pair of nice jhumkas and make this a very nice Indo-Western outfit if you want to dress it up. I think it's a very nice and comfy set for summers or even for like autumn that's coming up just before winters. You can definitely get this for yourself. Quality is top-notch. Another one of my favorites from this haul is this H&M twist detail peplum top. It's such a cute strappy top. The MRP for this is $14.99, but you get this just for about ₹8.99 on sale. It's a very cute top. It looks really nice with jeans or like denim shorts. If you're looking to pick up some tops, definitely go ahead and pick this one up. Now talking about what I'm wearing, because I know you guys are gonna ask me, the top is from Mango. It's a satin top with this twisted detail, although very subtle element, but it adds a lot to the outfit. It has a tie at the back. I know it has like a deep cut. It's still very subtle. I like the top overall. It can make for a very great office outfit, a very great formal outfit, or a party outfit even. I have paired it up with these black pants, which are also from H&M, and they were about ₹1,400. These are high-waisted and tailored trousers. The top is also on discount. Don't remember the price right now, but you will find all the details in the description box. The size that I picked up in the H&M trousers were 29. I usually wear a 28, but on the website was either 26 or 29, so of course I went ahead and took the 29 one. Now moving on to the last piece, this was a pair of white shorts from Mango. I actually really liked these shorts. The only problem was that I got the size in small, but this was actually still very loose for me, as you can like see, without me even wearing it. So I will have to get it exchanged to an extra small. But otherwise, looking at the material, this slight stitching detail, it's a very classy top. You can pair it with a lot of formal shirts and strappy tops. It will look really, really nice. In fact, this pair of white shorts with a blue shirt or like a striped blue and white shirt makes for a perfect preppy, old money kind of an aesthetic outfit. So I would recommend these shorts to you, just that make sure you get this in your size. The Mango sizes can be a little tricky to pick from. I had chosen I think 28 or 27 and it turned out to be a small which was loose. So if you are a 28, size down and get like a 26, because these are also high-waisted, so high-waisted sizes are always anyway smaller than your regular waist size. Anyway, I will have to get this exchanged, but if you guys are picking it up, make sure that you pick the right size. So these were some of my recommendations from Myntra, again mentioning that their sale is going on. So if you are in that shopping zone and the shopping mode, shop now because the discounts are crazy, from like 50 to 90% off. So it's the perfect time to shop. These were some of my favorites. I will try and continue to do monthly favorite haul videos so that you guys can still keep getting recommendations from me. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to watch next on my channel. Until then, take care and I will see you guys in my next video.